Have you ever looked on somebody's video and see they have a watermark? Probably they have their name in their video and you can see it lightly. Welcome back to another tutorial with kkthompson. What a one. Just want to say hi. Welcome to my subscriber. Thank you for being here. Thank you for returning. I'm seeing you. And to those that are watching me for the first time, do well to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment in the comment section if this video is what you want to see. Or you see they have a logo at the side of their video. Take for instance my own video. Have you ever looked good on my video to see that I have a watermark logo on my video? Would you like to do that on your video? What that does, it helps you secure your video so that everybody can go and use your content as they would like to. And so it gives you like a protective right over your video. So would you like to do that on your next video? Alright, come with me and let me show you exactly how. Alright, so you're going to go in Canva and you're going to type in the search bar logo design and you search. Okay, when you search you will see all these logo come up. All these logo, all of them. So you would look through and see which of the logo you prefer and you would change the logo to suit you. Okay, so any one of them search. But remember, the ones that say pro, you have to be using the pay version of Canva for you to use those. Okay, so you have to look. If you don't pay, you have to look on the ones that you're not seeing any pro on. Like for instance, this one. Okay, so say for instance you want to use this because this is something similar that is on my my videos, a little bit different. Okay, so you will choose this design and you will tap on it, and when you tap on it you would see it highlighted to be edited. Okay, so you would edit as you go along. So this is saying restaurant, fork and spoon. So I want to change the restaurant, so I press on the restaurant, I press edit, and I'm going to change that to cooking. So I go cooking and you tap off and it fall into place. You tap the other section and you press edit and it's a fork and spoon. I want to write Kenisha and Kevin. Kenisha and Kevin. So you tap off and you see it fall into place. So cooking, and it's Kenisha and Kevin, kkthompson, Kenisha and Kevin. So this is how it would look. Okay, you just put in the information what you want to put in, and then you tap off. If you want to change the color of the background, you go to color and you change the background color to suit what you want. Okay, right, so I'm gonna put it back to black now. And down here you have animation, layers, more you can do. Once you highlight, it gives you the option at the bottom here. If you want to change the color, the format, spacing, effect, you can go ahead and you can experiment on what you want to do and make it yours. Okay, so when you finish doing everything that you want, you go ahead and you go to the top here and you press download and it will save directly to your gallery. You go to gallery and this is it. This is your design. So this is what you would use to put on your video when you're putting up your video, or you can use this and set it permanently in your studio, and you will able to use it every time. Once you upload, it will come on your video. So if you want me to show you how to put it on your video each time you are making your video, or if you want me to show you how to set it in your studio and set it permanently, that's whenever you upload, it will just go on it. You can leave it in the comment section. Thank you for being here. I'll see you in another video. Work good.